everybody, and welcome back to the Skyline Dude YouTube channel. So basically in this video, guys, I just want to show you a kind of a, I wouldn't say it's a B-roll, but some extra footage that I took from the last video that I didn't include, mainly because the video is just too long. It doesn't pay for a smaller YouTuber like me to make like a 20-minute video. So that footage is going to be the footage you're going to see now. Basically, we're going for a ride in my buddy's Evo. He was taking me around since I was in town, and we literally just stumbled across this just sitting outside. So without further ado, guys, enjoy. We're just casually cruising along. That is nasty. That is nasty.
People who own these places, they got fucking money.
We gotta stop just for a second there and check that thing out on the way back,
sure,
because that was dope. With an R8 in here. So yeah, these are pretty much the car lovers' like dream. Just like they're building a bunch of garages with lofts above them for you to rent. So apparently everyone is going to be, you know, holding all of their very precious cars here. Kind of like that 4GT that we're just gonna take a quick look at.
No,
There's no way he just leaves that thing parked there.
No, this is a shop.
Oh, is it?
There's a detailing shop and then a performance shop right here, so you can probably peek through their door and see what they've got in the shop.
All right, let's try this. All right, so pull it to the front of the car, open it up. Oh God, all right. Oh my God. Yeah, top golf's there. This thing is, oh my God. Jesus. This is insane. Is the shop open?
No, they're probably closed for the weekend.
And they leave this sitting outside?
Someone might be picking it up, maybe? I don't know. State police, man.
Damn. This is probably one of the cleanest 4GTs I have ever seen. Like, look at that diffuser.
This Lambo right here also has a state police.
My God. I am just in awe of this thing. That's beautiful. I mean, I've seen them, but I mean, it's just the modifications here.
It's definitely.
And yeah, in the garage, yeah, we got the Mercy. I don't know if you guys can really see. What else in there? Oh man. Got WX in there? Yeah, dude, this thing's awesome.
They have, is it silver?
It's orange.
Oh, okay. We'll say they're...
Yeah, literally, like, if I won the lottery, I would be buying this thing.
He maybe has took off the blower and put a turbo on it, maybe?
I don't know.
That's what it looks like. I mean...
It's hard to
see. Like a centrifugal blower or something.
Yeah, I mean, I can see the pipes, but I don't see too much back here. I love that diffuser. And you know, Girth Nation over here for sure.
Yeah, no, there's a turbo.
It is turboed.
Yep. He's got his fucking, look at that, on the bottom, he's got his wastegate.
Oh, I do see it, yeah. So a turbo 4GT. It's probably twin turbo?
Yep.
Yeah, twin turbo 4GT. You don't see, come on, you can't not lie and say you see twin turbo 4GTs all over the place.
Yeah, I saw that. That's, yeah.
This saga has taken a turn for the amazing. And the HRE, these HRE wheels look really good.
Power car, man.
No, I would not either. This is bonkers. So in the comment section below, is this the cleanest 4GT you've ever seen? Sorry, cleanest twin turbo 4GT you've ever seen? Comment down below. Goals on goals.
Yeah. Get that carbon fiber side skirts.
He does. He's got the whole carbon fiber lip on the bottom. It looks like a matte carbon. However, that is going to get destroyed very fast.
You can see it.
Very fast. Yeah. Yeah. A casual 345 on the back, you know. HRE wheels look so good on it though.
Yeah. Yeah, those wheels are...
Let's get back in the Peasant Evo. The Peasant Evo. Oh God.
The car is worth his fucking headlights.
I'm gonna figure out how to get into this thing one day. So tell me that wasn't the most badass 4GT you've ever seen. That thing was so sick. That reaction from me after watching it, it was pretty funny. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So a lot of people have been asking, you know, where's the Skyline? Did you sell the Skyline? I didn't sell the Skyline. Actually, it's right here. Just got done washing / detailing it. So, yep, she's all shined up pretty nice. Not bad at all, but yep, she's here, and I'm actually working on a video for her right now. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like Squad, smash that like button, and we will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.